Day 18 of 365 Bible Stories. God kept his promise to Abraham and Sarah. In their old age, he gave them a healthy baby boy. They named him Isaac. Isaac was a beautiful baby, and Abraham was filled with pride as he held his son. Sarah looked up at her husband and smiled. "Who would have thought," she said, "that we would have a son in our old age? I will never laugh at God's promises again. Now I see how foolish it was to ever doubt him." Isaac was a good baby, and Abraham and Sarah loved him deeply. As Isaac grew older, Abraham and Sarah spent their days teaching him. Abraham showed Isaac the wonders of God's world, speaking to him about the Creator and his works. Sarah walked beside her son through fields and hills, pointing out animals and plants, and teaching Isaac their names. Abraham and Sarah knew in their hearts that Isaac would grow into a strong and faithful servant of God. Join me tomorrow as we continue this journey through the Bible.